Why are Baltic salmon populations so special? Imagine casting your line into waters that are a mix of fresh and salty, where some of the biggest salmon in the world swim. That's what makes Baltic salmon so fascinating and sought after by anglers. These fish are the same species as Atlantic salmon, but they tend to grow larger and stronger. It's not unusual to catch Baltic salmon that are a meter long and weigh around 20 kilograms. Some even surpass these sizes, thanks to their diet rich in herring, which provides the nutrition needed for such impressive growth. This makes them some of the largest salmon you can find anywhere. The environment of the Baltic Sea itself plays a big role. It's a brackish water body, meaning it's a blend of fresh water from rivers and salt water from the ocean. This unique mix influences how the salmon develop and behave. The slightly lower salinity compared to open ocean waters helps support their growth and health. Plus, the Baltic Sea is home to many different salmon populations, each adapted to the specific conditions of their local rivers. This diversity helps keep their numbers stable and their genetic traits strong. Since the 1990s, the populations of Baltic salmon have been improving. More young salmon, called smolts, are migrating from rivers to the sea each year. But some southern rivers still have weaker populations, which is why conservation measures are in place. These include limits on commercial fishing and restrictions on catching wild salmon. Anglers are often asked to release wild salmon, which can be identified by a small fin called an adipose fin. Only stocked salmon, which lack this fin, can be harvested. These rules help protect the genetic diversity and ensure the survival of local populations. When it comes to fishing, Baltic salmon can be a challenge. They are less likely to take flies on the water surface compared to other Atlantic salmon. Instead, anglers need to use sinking fly lines and specialized techniques. Many fishers prefer double-handed rods, especially in the narrow rivers of Scandinavia. The best time to fish for Baltic salmon is from May to June, when fresh fish start entering the rivers from the sea. These salmon are prized not just for their size but also for the skill needed to catch them. They offer a real test for anglers and make for an exciting adventure in Scandinavian waters. In short, Baltic salmon are special because they grow large, adapt to a unique environment, and follow a complex life cycle of migration between river and sea. Conservation efforts help keep their populations healthy and diverse. Their size, behavior, and habitat make them a favorite target for fishing trips in Scandinavian rivers, offering both a challenge and a rewarding experience for those lucky enough to land one.